Let's get some of those hot dogs in the
tell
studio.
You, yeah. As if it's not hot enough, let's go on the grill and get some red hots, right?
Exactly.
You are on.
You could probably fry a hot dog on a sidewalk today.
It's toasting up out there, man.
It is really toasting up, folks. And it's going to stay toasty, unfortunately, at least in the short term. Now, already the Weather Service is hoisting up heat advisories. Some of these remain in effect for today. Others, like what you see in the River Valley, those are for tomorrow, because we could see anywhere you see the heat advisory, heat index values could be 105 or up to 110 degrees. And this is included for the River Valley. Not so much northwest Arkansas, because the humidity will be dropping tomorrow across most of northwest Arkansas. We'll get to that in a second. Outside right now in Lowell, things are quiet. Not a cloud in the sky, but it is hot. It feels like 106 degrees when you step outside. That wall of heat really hits you when you step outside your front door, you go out your garage. From your air conditioning to that heat is really, really brutal. Lower 90s across northwest Arkansas, a few upper 80s, Garfield, Holiday Island, St. Paul and Kingston there. Gravette also 89. Definitely not 89 in Fort Smith. It is 94 right now, and it feels like it's 10 degrees warmer than that with a heat index of 104. Uniform mid-90s right now across the River Valley. These temperatures compared to this time next week will seem cool. Look at the dew points. All that moisture-rich air running right through the heart of our area. Drier air is to the northwest, and that is going to make its way our way over the next day or so. Satellite and radar is nice and quiet. All the activity well to our north across portions of Iowa and Minnesota. That's where all the action is. Now, tonight we should be mostly quiet. Still the very, very outside chance in the overnight hours for a couple of stray showers. This particular run of the model is saying, yeah, a couple of sprinkles around sunrise as this front makes its approach. Now, as it does so, once it passes, we could get some development of some showers and strong to severe thunderstorms tomorrow afternoon. This particular run of the model is saying, yeah, it'll be mostly northwest Arkansas early on, and then later in the day we could see some development here in the River Valley. We'll have to see if that actually happens. This is the only run of the model. There are other models that say that frontal passage will be mostly dry tomorrow in our area. So still some flip-flopping with the models that we're keeping our eye on for tomorrow afternoon. But notice, though, the dew points. Once that front crosses, look how much of that drier air really penetrates our area. You can see just lower 50 dew points Monday morning, northwest Arkansas, but still pretty tropical in the River Valley. Monday and Tuesday, despite hot temperatures, far less humidity, so it won't feel as brutal outside. 70s tonight, a very humid, muggy night. Widespread 90s tomorrow, and more widespread heat indices well above 100 degrees in the River Valley, little bit better in northwest Arkansas. There's a look at the extended forecast, which does feature a brief cool down Monday and Tuesday, and then it just gets ridiculously hot in northwest Arkansas. Probably will bump these temperatures up. I'm pretty sure we'll see 100 degrees in some parts of northwest Arkansas next week. River Valley, absolute certainty, Paul. Real dangerous stuff as we get toward the end of the week. So make sure you do everything you can to prepare yourself and to keep yourself safe for the heat next week.